Vine woke up from her sleep. She sat on the bed, but then her attention was diverted when she heard, "What did you saw?" Vine looked at him, shocked, who was sitting inside her room on the couch. "Was it that beautiful that you were smiling in your dreams?" "What was it?" Vine stood up from the couch and he also did the same. He started coming close to her. It was 4 hours that they had their last encounter. Vine was shocked seeing him inside her room. He was looking devastated. His eyes were red and his face was pale. Hair messed up and half shirt was tucked in and half out. Jungkook came close to her on the bed. She gathered herself and glared at him. "What are you doing here?" But next moment, Jungkook put his finger on and made her quiet. Vine was about to protest, but Jungkook shook his head and whispered, "You are not allowed to talk today. You will only listen to me. I'm here to tell you that I am regretting a lot for what I did to you. Can I know that there is no forgiveness for it? I knew it from day one, but still, when I started developing feelings for you, I started giving excuses to myself that don't worry, one day she will forgive me if I accept my sin and get the punishment which I deserve. And then you started giving more hopes to my heart by showing all that fake love trap which you set for me, and you got successful in destroying my heart the day you left me." Van Gogh, knowing he was saying everything right. Jungkook, but my heart never lost any hope, thinking that one day I will find you and will again ask for your forgiveness. But then you showed up, and now I'm fighting with my thoughts and emotions that what will be my future with the sin which I committed. But today I have made my decision. Today I have told my heart that what I want and what I will do it. One was slightly shocked when she saw tears in his eyes. His eyes were saying that he was regretting for what he did, and he was trying to shout to the forgiveness, but he knew it wasn't in his fate. He gulped and continued, "I promise to get punishment. I have decided it, and that's the least I can do, but I want something from you." Jungkook removed his fingers from her and Ryan said, "What?" Next thing Vine knew was that Jungkook attacked his lips on her and he kissed her slowly. She was shocked, but she tried to push him, but it was of no use. She felt his tears in that, and she knew he was shedding them because he wasn't able to control it now. Jungkook kissed her in that she felt a sting pain in her neck because Jungkook injected her. Slowly, she was closing her eyes and he pulled back. Vine slowly fell on the bed and Jungkook smiled faintly. He stood up from the bed and took a last glance at her. Next day morning, Vine woke up from the sound of phone ringing. She saw the caller ID and it was Lena. She frowned, but then the door of the room got busted open and Kate came inside. Vine was startled when she shouted, "Vine, did you saw the news?" Vine frowned and Kate looked at her shocked. She picked up the phone and opened it. Kate showed her the ongoing news. Vine frowned, but then she heard, He remembered all of his job, which he did at night. He was talking about something, but never in her dreams she thought that he himself will hand him to the cops. He was guilty and regretting, and he wasn't lying at all. What is happening? She whispered to herself, but then she heard the stretched, staring voice. Both Kate and Van looked out of the window and saw Nina coming out of the car. Van looked at Kate, and they both went out of the room downstairs. Vine and Kate came downstairs and saw Nina coming inside. Nina stopped when she looked at Vine. Vine also looked at her, but deep down she was scared that what if Nina will hate her after all this? Nina took a step towards Vine. Vine saw that there were tears in her eyes, and next second Nina hugged Vine tightly and started crying in her embrace like a child. Vine was shocked, but then she slowly hugged her back. Kate was also feeling emotional. Nina, you know what happened, Vine? Jungkook, she stopped and again cried. Vine tried to calm her down, but it was hard. Vine broke the hug and cupped her cheeks. Stop crying, Nina, please. Flashback last night. Jungkook was lost in his thoughts. He was sitting on the couch and was looking down. Suddenly, his attention went on the door, which got open, and Jin came inside along with Nina. Jin, you called us Jungkook. Jungkook nodded and motioned them to come. Nina and Jin came inside and sat on the bed in front of him. Jungkook looked at Jin and handed him an envelope. Jin took it and saw that it was property papers. Jin, what is this, Jungkook? Jungkook, these are property papers. I have named it for Why, Nina, and you all. Nina, Jin looked at him shocked. Jungkook, you try to stop me, but look where I am right now. I have decided something, but before that, these matters are important to handle. But now I have decided to get the punishment, which at least I can get it on my own. I will always be her culprit. But you have to remember that after me, you will always be with Vine and with all my friends, as I can only trust them for you. You are my sister and I love you, Nina. And one more thing, when you will meet Vine, just tell her that I regret everything for what I did, and those memories will haunt me for the rest of my life. Tell her that I will not come in front of her. She will never see my sinner face again. Never. Jungkook left Nina's hand and hugged her like that. He started crying like a baby in his sister's embrace. Jungkook, I'm sorry, Nina. Please tell her that I am sorry. I know you hate me too, and I'm ashamed for what I did, but this is getting heavy on my chest. He broke the hug and saw that she was also crying. Nina cupped his cheeks and said, why you did that, Jungkook? Look where we are right now. Jungkook broke down again but stood up and said, I have to go now. I don't deserve this, but I want to see her last time. Nina saw Jungkook going out of the house, and next year early morning she saw the news. Nina was done telling Vine everything. She looked at Vine, but she was looking down. Suddenly, Vine stood up and went towards her room. Kate, she never expected this. It's too much for her, Nina. I know, but deep down, I think that she didn't expected him to do all this. Kate nodded her head and they looked at the door of her room. Nina, it's so hard, isn't it? I got my revenge and now Jungkook will get his punishment. I was happy that time when I got my revenge, but why does she seem lost? They looked at door and went in their thoughts. Inside the room, Vine came inside and closed the door. She sat on the bed and soon tears came out of her eyes. Why am I shedding tears? Why are you crying, Vine? This is what you wanted. You wanted him to feel the pain. He felt the pain when his heart was broken. I wanted him to suffer and he suffered. I wanted him to get his punishment and now he selected it himself for him. That's why are you crying? You should be happy. She wiped her tears, but they were coming out of her eyes again and again. Nina, you are strong, fine, you are strong. Kate, handle yourself fine, don't get broke. They both started saying calming words to her, but still she was crying badly. She broke, and now he was the culprit, and now he was getting his punishment. He said that he will never come again in front of her, and now he was gone. At first it was Nina, she got her revenge, and now it was mine.